In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Manychat in just 5 minutes. Whether you're completely new to the world of chatbots or looking to refine your existing setup, I'm here to guide you through the process in a clear, straightforward manner. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to manychat.com. This is where everything begins, so make sure you have a stable internet connection for a smooth experience. Once you've made your way to the site, you'll want to search for a button labeled Sign Up for Free or something similar. Clicking this button will initiate the registration process, giving you access to all the features Manychat has to offer. As you go through the sign-up process, you'll see options to register using your Facebook, Google, Apple, or Instagram account. For this setup, we'll be using Facebook Messenger as our integration platform. Select Facebook, and you'll be redirected to sign in, allowing Manychat access to your account information. It's important to remember that granting access is necessary for Manychat to function effectively with your account. Once you've created your account, take a moment to define your goal. It's crucial to be clear about what you aim to achieve with your chatbot. Whether you're looking to grow an email list, book product demos, or provide enhanced customer support, having a clear goal will guide your customization process. Now, let's build a main menu. This menu serves as a navigation tool, allowing users to explore your bot's features easily. From here, they could be directed to external links or other conversation flows that you've set up. Following that, create a personalized greeting text. Being the first message a subscriber sees, the greeting sets the tone for their interaction with your bot. Feel free to get creative by adding emojis or GIFs to make it friendly and engaging. Next, navigate to the automation section on the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on New Automation. Here, you'll select a trigger, which serves as the catalyst for your bot's actions. Triggers might be a user sending a specific keyword, commenting on a social media post, or clicking a button in a previous message. Once you've selected your trigger, it's time to build the flow using the visual drag-and-drop builder. You can add blocks for messages, questions, and actions, as well as incorporate text, buttons, and other interactive elements to guide the user, possibly linking them to your website or online store. By using conditions and delays, you can create complex and personalized experiences that cater to individual user needs. Finally, when you're satisfied with your creation, click on the Set Live or Publish button to activate your flow. Afterward, you might consider adding advanced features like sequences, which allow you to send timed, automated messages. Manage these sequences in the Automation Sequences tab. Also, check out the live chat section to handle more intricate customer queries that the bot can't address. And there you have it. Your Manychat setup is now complete, ready to enhance your customer interactions effortlessly. Keep exploring and refining your automations to meet your evolving needs. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.